It's the time for the package from China. Let's go. To a new video. So in today's video we are going to talk about the Angry Birds edition, or in other words the, I don't know how to pronounce it, but the D29. This is a series of obscure 8-bit systems. I really love it, and I just want to show you here on the channel all those weird stuff from China. Alright, the Angry Birds version, the Angry Birds edition, comes with 2 controllers. And let's see what's inside the box. It comes with, I think it's more like, whatever. I think it doesn't even belong with this thing. No. It comes in, oh, I'm sorry. Doesn't belong into. How did it came in this box? What the heck? Nevertheless. Alright, so what we're going to get. It comes with, I cannot tell you if you didn't see all my videos. This is more like the fake mini PlayStation control they're all releasing with these systems. As you can see, it got very wiggly buttons. Oh, chemical plastic. And it feels horrible. Oh, these are very horrible. I think I can break them. Oh, they're pretty sturdy. But cheap Chinese control, not bad. What I really hate about these fake clone systems, they come with very horrible AC DC adapters. So to be honest, I'm not even going to attempt to using this. I opened some systems. I opened these up, but they are very cheaply made. And then you can hear it. There are even some noises inside of the power supply. Alright. Come out. Come out. What? My cable is stuck in this thing. Nevertheless. I have more of those. Alright, let's take a close look at the system itself. Power. Reset button. It feels very flimsy. At the left side we're having, I'm guessing, player 1, and at the right side we're having player 2. Alright, at the bottom we're having no information, not even a rubber feet or something like that. Flip case. And this only plays Famicom games. Alright, so this is what we're going to get. Let's see if there are built-in games. We're going to try out a Famicom game. And oh my god, I really hate that Terraform. Let's go! Okay, I moved through the television itself because Algaro didn't like this clone system. Okay, I can't understand this. Why? Wait, I'm going to power it off. Is there serious no game in this? No, there is no game. Serious, this is the first clone console. My button is sticky. But this is the first clone system I have reviewed that doesn't have built-in games. Funny thing is, the controller has this more kind of curved in for more grip. To be honest, the colors of the screen or the image that this Angry Birds version put out is not bad at all. I didn't know that I could do that. What? Bring it on, bring it on. Going to stick the katana in your butt. Oh yeah. I can really enjoy this game this way. Wow. Ah! And what I think is very unique of this thing, that it has stereo sound. That is really cool. That is what we call the Roadhouse kick, baby. Roadhouse. So funny that this controller feels so flimsy, but it responds very well. I'm getting into this game again. Oh yeah. Boo, boo, boo. Wow, this thing's playing really slow. Oh yeah, turbo punching! A Robocop, walk into my face, cause I ain't rock. I am a Robocop, I really rock. So, for the final conclusion about the Angry Bird Edition 8-bit system, I must say I am pretty surprised by this thing. I know a lot of the 8-bit systems are pretty damn crappy. The build quality, yeah. Okay, even the freaking power button is sticking sometimes. The controllers, this grub thing they're doing here, yeah, it feels very nice, even having very big hands. The controller, they play very well for very cheap, flimsy controllers. What I think is very unique, and I'm going to show you here. Here at the back we're finding for left and right audio, SIG audio out. And the reason I'm saying this because I think 80, maybe up to 90% of all these clone systems have only mono output. It's not a big of a deal, but I personally like it when it just have left and right signal. Alright, so this is what we're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. What do you think of the Angry Bird Edition? I think it's pretty funny. So, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell.